I want tell us how we dey take prepare Bene seed soup. For inside Bene seed soup, we use dry pawpaw. That dry pawpaw na unripe pawpaw wey they don plug am, peel am, cut am small small, put for sun, e dry. As e don dry so, you fit take am use am cook soup. Bene seed soup, e dey very tiny tiny. When you grind am, na wetin you go first do be that, you go grind am 2 times so that the thing go done well well. When e don done, you go put small water. Na the third time wey you go grind be that, you go put small water, do am so that oil go come out, so that by the time wey you put am for fire, e go come mold, so that e go fine for face. When you don grind am, you pack am put for something. You put water for fire. When the water don boil, you carry the Bene seed put inside the water. You go cover am so that e go boil again. As e mold like that, everything go come dey scatter small small, but e no go scatter or e go still get small mold inside. When you open am, put oil, cover am, make e dey boil. That time you go use am dey grind your pepper, your crayfish, grind am keep. When e don boil, you put your pepper, you put maggi, depending on the quantity, depend on the quantity of Bene seed wey you dey cook. You put your crayfish, you put your salt so that e go catch. You put dawa, then you cover am. When e don cook, you open am again, put your fish or your meat or any stuff wey you wan use cook am. You cover am back again, give am small minute. Your Bene seed don ready for you. You come give your family people, they go chop. Everybody go dey use hand.